Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix low client FPS inside of Valorant. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to try one of the most common fixes first. So now this is to enable game mode. Now this is a new Windows 11 update in 2025. So now to do this, we want to go to search, type in settings, click in the settings. And then from here on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click onto the gaming tab. And now we need to go ahead and click on game mode. And then it will say game mode, optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So you want to go ahead and enable that. And if you want to learn more about game mode and the new update setting here, go ahead and click on that if you like. Now, if you don't have this, we need to go ahead and click on Windows Update and make sure you got the latest version of Windows 11 up to date. So go ahead and check for updates and make sure you are up to date with your updates. Then the next fix we can try is to update our GPU drivers. Now to do this, go ahead and click on the search, type in device manager, and now a little box is going to appear like so. Then from here, go ahead and expand your display adapters and find your graphics card. And then from here, right click it and then go ahead and click on update driver. Click on to search for drivers automatically. And then if there's any updates, they're going to go ahead and tell you that it needs to be updated, and just go ahead and click on next and go through that process. But for me, it says here the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now, if we've got any background programs running, so close heavy apps before launching Valorant, and we can check them out by right clicking on our Windows key here and then go to Task Manager. And now inside of Task Manager, we can go ahead and filter by CPU usage or memory. And if you've got any heavy apps like Discord overlays, Chrome, OBS, Steam, Epic, anything like that, just go ahead and simply close out of them. Now the next fix we can try is clearing temporary files. So this is a quick cleanup. So on your keyboard, hit your Windows key and R. Now this is going to open up the run prompt. Then from here, we need to type in %temp%. So here it is here, click OK. And now all your temp files are going to appear like so. So what we want to do is click on Control A and just simply delete all of them. And then if they say in use, just go ahead and skip any files that say in use.